I really need some Yeezys, man. You know what? Let me call my boy Jamal, man. Let me go and get this man a call. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, and I'm back again with another banger, baby, banger, baby, banger. Man, but today, man, we got a special. Hello? Yo, what's good? What it do? Let's see, look. You got a pair of them Yeezys, man. You getting a pair of them Yeezys? Man, I only got one pair of the Yeezys, bro. For real? That's it? Then you run your bike for that? Man, one pair. Yeah, and I ran my bike. Damn, that's crazy. But hey, on the real, you need to check out that Cyberbot, man. I got a homie, he been going crazy with the Cyberbot. Or maybe you just need to get you a new body in general, you know what I'm saying? You know what? Maybe I do need to do that. It's a bot I've been watching anyway that I've been saying I can't wait till I get my hands on. Yeah, man, maybe. But hold on. You said you've been looking at a bot. What bot you been looking at? Hello? What bot you been looking at, dude? This man hung up on me. What's good with you? It's your boy, and I'm back again with another video. And by the thumbnail, I'm pretty sure you can tell why we're here. And today is a very, very, very special and important video. Because today, man, I'm about to tell you a way that you yourself can cop as many shoes, you know. Man, many shoes, you know what I'm saying? You can get these. You know what I'm saying? You can get these. You know what I'm saying? You can get these, you know what I'm saying? Look, I'm about to tell you a way you can get all of this plus more, you know what I'm saying? But man, let's get right into it, man. Today, I am here to talk about a bot. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm still new to the bot era, I guess you can say. But when it all boiled down, I was like, man, look, I need to find me a bot, and I need to find me a consistent bot. You know what I'm saying? So I've been working on a bot, A and B V2. I'm not liking the success rate of A and B, so guess what I started? I went searching. Ooh. You know what I'm saying? And I found a new bot. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my guy Timmy, and shout out to my guy Matt for coming through for your boy, man. The name of this bot, man, this is NOVA Bot. You know, NOVA Bot has probably been on the scene probably what, I think since like July, August. It's a fairly new bot. The bot is still in alpha right now. It has not reached beta, so it really has not even hit like the atmosphere or the scene pretty much. And I mean, the bot was just going insane. You know what I'm saying? It's still in alpha. You know what I'm saying? Like, the bot has not even reached its lunch or its full potential. Like, that's crazy to me. So, man, once I got to get in touch with Matt, man, I hit Matt up on Twitter, man. I put his Twitter below. He's one of the devs over at NOVA Bot, man. Salute for sure. And we were able to come together, and we was talking about the bot, this, and that. And, you know, I was able to get the bot, you know. A lot of people aren't able to get the bot, but your boy was able to get the bot. You heard it. But man, Nova Bot, man, is right now, it is a bot that is killing Supreme. I'm talking about dominating Supreme. Like, if you run 3 tasks, 2 of your tasks are for sure going to check out. If you run 1 task, that 1 task is going to check out. You hear me? Man, you got people trying to trade Adept. You got people trying to trade Soul. Everybody's trying to trade for this bot at the moment. At the moment, the resale value is insane for the amount the bot costs. The bot is like $175, $180, somewhere around there. I leave the information below. I leave their Twitter below. I'm going to leave their website below. You know, you yourself can go check out, you know what I'm saying, follow them on Twitter, follow them on Instagram too, so you can keep up with this bot, because I think it's going to do insane numbers. And you know, the good thing about it is you want to jump on a bot as early as possible. And I think I jumped on this bot probably a week before this bot actually has like really been in the conversation. Like, I'm starting to see the bot resale for, I know some people are posting like $1,000 for the bot for resale. That's insane. That's crazy. But some people I think like the realistic price is probably like $700 to $850. Some people are still like $650. So man, like I said, the bot is trading for insane numbers right now. Selling for insane numbers right now. Or reselling, I would say. But like I said, it's cooking Supreme right now. They're still working on Shopify. They're trying to kink it up before the Travis Scott 6 is released. I'm going to be sure to make sure for that release on this upcoming Saturday, next Saturday. This upcoming Saturday, I was right the first time. I'm going to make sure I do a live cop for you guys. I'm going to learn how to basically, if I do a live cop, I'm going to drop a video of me copping the shoes or whatever, however it goes. Just because I just want you guys to see the bot, just to see how it looks. Get a just idea what your boy over here working with. But hey, we ain't gonna trip. But man, I just wanna thank the people over at Nova Bot, man. Discord has been going crazy. Everything has been a success so far. It's been an incredible week, I guess you could say, of owning the bot. They've been very, very helpful and informative. My thing now is just to find some proxies. So, you have some reputable, there we go, proxy people that man, tell you to hit your boy up, man. I'm looking for some proxies. I need some good proxies that's not banned on any sites. But yeah, like I was saying, I need some reputable proxies. I need some proxies because, like, I think most of the known proxy brands, like, proxies are getting banned from websites. The batches are getting banned. So a lot of network issues going on with proxies. So I just need new proxies. Right now I'm working with Shy Proxies. I think Shy Proxies is pretty good. I'm also working with Leaf, but I think Leaf is like the beginner proxies, I think. If I'm not mistaken, like, there's a lot of proxies that all the first timers get. All the new botters that go out to Leaf, and I think Leaf might be the cheapest as well. But Leaf proxies, I don't think they're that bad. I necessarily have not copped with my bot at the moment. I don't know if it's A and B or if it's just me not setting something up right. But yeah, I couldn't even cop a pair of socks when I was just trying to cop like a pair of like regular socks from off Kith with A and B, and it just stayed in idle. But it's none of my business. It's none of my business. But anyways, man, I'm moving along. I sat with A and B for 2 months, had no success. So it's like it's on to the next. And by this bot, by Nova just being in alpha right now and has not reached beta and everything, I think I might be saying it wrong, but it hasn't been released to the public just yet. I think that I'm gonna rock with Nova for a while and work through the kinks and the inks and the links and all this. Right now, they don't have foot sites available. Foot sites are not going to be available probably until launch, till the bot launches. There we go, launches. So that's not. I mean, it's a big deal, but it's not like a big deal. You see what I'm saying? Because I can still probably cop, Yeezys from Yeezy Supply, all the Shopify sites, Kith. I know they do support JD Sports, so I still can probably dig and dab in those. And I'm still probably gonna run A and B for foot sites. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. I'm really frustrated with A and B, just because like I feel like everything is perfect. My server is perfect, and even when I did the test run with NOVA Bot, I was able to cop. I know 100 Thieves came out tonight with their merch. I know a few people had success with 100 Thieves. So yeah, I mean, like I said, I just like the way the place that Nova Bot is going at the moment, and I'm going to rock with Nova Bot as long as I can, and hopefully the success just continues to keep soaring up, and the stock of the bot goes up as more success that they have. But I'm not looking to resell the bot. But it's just for you guys out there who are just curious on what the bot's reselling for. I'm going to keep the bot. It's going to be my personal bot. I'll probably end up selling A and B eventually, probably once Nova launches. I don't know why I can't say that word right. But I'll probably sell the bot by then. How much I'm going to sell A and B for? Probably $60, because it's probably going to be dirt cheap. And I'm just going to rock with Nova. And yeah, like I said, if you know some proxies I should look into, let me know. Because I need proxies. You know what I'm saying? I need some proxies. And if any proxy companies want to sponsor your boy, I'm open. I'm open to having these conversations, these deals. I'm open to everything. I'm open. You know what I'm saying? I'm not making no money off this stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just giving out my personally honest opinion about everything that's going on in the bot industry, the shoe industry. And yeah, I mean, I'm gonna have a few more videos probably dropping the same day that I'm gonna drop this video. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, man. Comment below. Like I said, comment the proxies you're using. Comment your cook groups. I need to know all this information, because you know what I'm saying. Hey, shout out to my cook group too, Frosty Alerts. You know what I'm saying. It's based out of Canada, but we still cook on the USA side, the US side as well. So shout out to my boys, man, over there at Frosty Alerts. And always, shout out to Nova, man. Appreciate y'all, man. Keep doing big things. Keep doing what y'all doing, man. And let's eat for the rest of 2019. And let's cook our way into 2020. Your boy out of here, man. Peace, love, and happiness, man. Love y'all guys. And make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. You dig?